Hi there, today I'll be showing you the Hawkshead Talon 22 and 38 Extreme wheel systems. The Talon 22 wheel system can monitor up to 22 wheels, and the Talon Extreme system can monitor up to 38 wheels. Both systems have a range of approximately 50 feet, and both go up to 188 psi. When you purchase either of these base systems, you receive standard monitor up to 22 or 38 wheel capability, complete with a lithium rechargeable battery. 2 versatile monitor mounts, 2 monitor power cords, your standard cigarette lighter charger, and a hardwire cord. 4 wheel sensors for up to 188 psi pressures that have 4 sensor locking screws and batteries already installed. An Allen key for locking screws, extra seals and extra locking screws, and operating instructions. Signal boosters are also available for any application over 50 feet. Next, I will show you the basic setup for the pressure and temperature alarms using the 38 Extreme wheel system. Basic alarm setup. The monitor comes with a basic charge, but will need a full charge of approximately 4 hours before you can set up your system. To program your monitor, you must first turn on the system. Then press and hold set until the monitor beeps and goes to setup mode. Here, it will flash between PSI and bar. Using the plus button, choose your setting and press set to save. Now choose between Celsius and Fahrenheit using the plus button and press set to save. Now the first axle should be flashing. Here you will adjust the high pressure alarm. Use the plus and minus buttons to set your desired pressure, and once happy with your settings, press set to save. Now we will set the low pressure alarm for the same axle. Using the plus and minus buttons, set it to your desired pressure and press set to save. If there is an axle you do not wish to use, simply use the set button to scroll through all the axles until you reach your desired axle. Use the plus and minus buttons to set all the low and high pressure for these axles and hit set to save. Once you have programmed all your axles, simply use the set button to move through all the remaining axles to get to the temperature alarm settings. To set the temperatures, use the plus and minus buttons till you reach your desired temperature. Once happy with your settings, press and hold set until the monitor beeps. Next, we will show you the basic steps of sensor installation. Press and hold code until the system beeps once. Here the first tire will be flashing and you will see the default sensor code. Simply screw the sensor onto the valve stem. The new sensor code will appear. Use the plus and minus buttons to move between tires and repeat these steps. Using the plus and minus buttons, you can skip over any tires you do not wish to use. Once all your tires have been added, simply press and hold code until the monitor beeps once. You will now be back in the running mode. Allow up to 5 minutes for all of your readings to appear on the monitor. If you should happen to make a mistake and wish to delete a sensor, simply press and hold code until the monitor beeps once. Using the plus and minus buttons, scroll through the tires until you reach your desired tire. Press and hold set until the default sensor code appears. Use the plus and minus buttons to scroll through any other tires that you wish to delete. Repeat these steps. Once all desired sensors have been deleted, simply press and hold Code to save. Thank you for watching. All of our products and information can be found at our website.